Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1957 Chevrolet is one of the most iconic American cars ever built. It was part of Chevrolet's Tri-5 Series 1955-1957 and is especially popular among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Here's a full breakdown of its details. Overview. Make: Chevrolet. Model year: 1957. Body styles available: 2-door sedan, 4-door sedan, 2-door hardtop sport coupe, 4-door hardtop sport sedan, convertible, station wagon including the Nomad. Exterior features. Design highlights: distinctive tail fins, which were more pronounced than the 1955 and 1956 models. Chrome detailing, including a wide front grille and dual rocket-style hood ornaments. Large oval-shaped front bumper openings, often called dagmars. Wraparound windshield and rear window for improved visibility. Optional dual headlight bezels and fender skirts. Available in single-tone or two-tone paint schemes. Dimensions: wheelbase, 115 inches. Length, 200 inches. Width, 73.9 inches. Height, 57 inches. Engine options. The 57 Chevy came with a variety of engine choices, ranging from an inline 6 to powerful V8s, 235 cu and 3.9L Blue Flame inline 6. 140 HP manual transmission. 145 HP automatic transmission. 265 cu in 4.3L turbofire V8 entry-level V8. 162 HP 2-barrel carburetor. 170 HP power pack option. 283 cu in 4.6L turbofire V8 introduced fuel injection. 185 HP 2-barrel carburetor. 220 HP 4-barrel carburetor. 245 HP dual 4-barrel carburetors. 250 HP fuel injection. 283 HP fuel injection, solid lifter camshaft, the first mass-produced 1 HP per cubic inch engine. Transmission options. 3-speed manual column shift. 3-speed manual with overdrive. 4-speed manual Borg-Warner T10, late year option. 2-speed power glide automatic. Turbo glide automatic continuously variable transmission introduced in 1957. Interior features. Seating capacity, up to 6 passengers. Dashboard, classic chrome and steel dash with large speedometer and round gauges. Steering wheel, standard 2-spoke with optional deluxe horn ring. Radio, AM push-button radio was optional. Upholstery, vinyl and cloth combinations, available in various colors. Performance and driving. The 1957 Chevrolet was known for its smooth ride and solid handling, thanks to its full coil suspension and X-frame chassis. The fuel-injected 283 V8 made it one of the fastest cars in its class. Trim levels. 150 series base model. Basic interior and exterior trim. Only available with inline 6 or small V8. 210 series mid-level. More chrome trim and better interior options. Available with most engine choices. 3 Bel Air top trim. Luxurious chrome detailing, upgraded upholstery. Available in all body styles, including convertible and Nomad. 4 Nomad premium wagon. Unique 2-door station wagon. Highly collectible today. Production and legacy. Total units built, 1,522,536. The 1957 Chevy became one of the most popular classic cars, often used in hot rodding and restorations. It is frequently seen in movies, TV shows, and car shows, solidifying its legendary status. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, in particular, is one of the most desirable classic American cars, often referred to as the king of the classics. Do you have a favorite version or are you considering a restoration? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.